Hey everybody, thought I'd make a quick video and just explain to you guys how to figure the length of a tube for a panpipe for a specific note versus just explaining it on a piece of paper. I think this will make more sense. So there's a few key pieces of information that we'll need. First off, we'll need to know the note, right? So I've decided to go with C5, and the frequency for C5 is 523 Hertz. And then the last bit of information we need is the tube open on one end or two ends? In this specific case, it's only open on one end. So let's get started. So first thing we do is we take the speed of sound, that's 343 meters per second, and we divide that by our frequency, 523 Hertz. When we do the math there, we get a result of 0.6553 meters. This is in seconds and this is in seconds, so those cancel. Now, it's important to know that it is open on one end versus two ends, because if we look at how a wave is generated inside the tube, you have one node at the bottom and an antinode at the top. So really, when you look at this, this is only a quarter of the wavelength. So what we do is we take this number and we divide by 4. So when we do that, we get a net of 0.16388 meters. Okay? Now, it would be nice if we were done right there, but the fact of the matter is, as sound travels out of this tube, here's the end of the tube, because the air outside is a different pressure, the tube is actually extended just a little bit. And we can find that calculation by taking the inside diameter of the tube, which we know is 0.015, and we multiply that times 61%. That number is 0.0915 meters. So you can see that if it is extending outward by that much, we actually need to subtract that from this tube. So our net is 0.16388 to give us C5. So let's do that. We're going to subtract 0.09150 meters. That gives us a net of 0.07238 meters. So, as you can see from this example, we need to cut our tube to about 7 centimeters to get a note of C5, which is at 523 Hertz. So, I hope that you understand the meaning of the end effect, and hope this makes more sense than just some words on a paper. Thanks.